Hello, I am Antea Jerčić. I'm a student in high school ball in Croatia, and now I will teach you something about diabetes. Diabetes mellitus type 1. Specialized cells in pancreas stop completely with the production of the appropriate amount of insulin. Cells can't use sugar in blood, and the amount of that sugar increases. Symptoms usually develop at the age between 10 and 16. Disease develops very quickly, and without regular insulin shots, it is lethal. Immune cells destroy by mistake the cells that produce insulin in pancreas. The disease can be genetic. Diabetes mellitus type 2. It develops gradually and usually affects people older than 40. People affected by it don't produce enough insulin or are insulin resistant. Body cells don't react to the produced insulin. People with hypertension and increased amount of weight in their waist area are very prone to this type of diabetes. Symptoms. Without insulin, body can't store or use glucose, a type of sugar, as an energy source. That causes fatigue, dizziness, and hunger. Tissues get damaged. Weight loss. Diabetes mellitus type 1. Sugar accumulates in blood and goes to urine, taking away water and causing excessive urination and thirst. With diabetes mellitus type 1, a big amount of sugar in blood causes mental confusion and then coma. Diabetes mellitus type 2 doesn't result in mental confusion and coma, but it can cause complications like kidney disease, leg furuncle, heart and blood vessel diseases. Prevention. According to some researches, children who are breastfed rarely get diabetes type 1. Loss of excessive weight reduces the risk of diabetes type 2. If someone you are closely related to has it, you have hypertension or are prone to getting kilos in the waist area, it is important that you maintain normal body weight. Regular exercise outdoors also reduces the risk.